What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to automate emails on monday.com. As you can see here, I'm on a task board or a board on a workspace that I have. And you need to go to the board that you want to select or add the automation to. Here I have my main workspace and I've selected this task board that I recently created. Now to add an email automation, all you want to do is to click on automate here on the top right. And then here you have many templates to choose from, including ones for Gmail, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and others. Now, to create an automation from scratch, click on Add Custom Automation right here. And here you can select the trigger. So the trigger is what happens, like here I want to create an email notification. So the trigger is when, for example, the first day of the month comes, I'll need to send emails to my clients. So when every time period, for example, and I click on every time period, let's say every week, every Monday, okay. And here in the target, you should see send email to someone. For some reason, I don't see it right here. Let's say I need to notify it to send the email. So notify me to send email to, and add the email of the recipients you want to send the email to. And that way you'll get a notification each Monday to send an email to some recipients. Now, if I go back to templates, I can search the template for like email. And this is the one that I was looking for. So I can use a template if I want to, instead of creating one from scratch. So let's add this to the board. So when the status changes, however, I need to connect my Gmail account too. And once I connect it, I can successfully create the automation.